Hello everybody and welcome back to Bell CB for another CRE-8900 tune-up report. This one's for Gary in Florida. Now Gary, over on this watt meter I've got 10, 20, 30 dial up on the bottom. Let me turn it to 10 watts across the top instead. Power all the way up, 10 watts. And I'll lower the power for you all the way down 1.5 watts. On my peak reading meter I have a 100 watt slug. I'm going to be reading power across this bottom here, just over the 40 mark. That's 50, that little line. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll kick it over the sideband. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. About 34 there. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Check it out on the air. Breaker 19 for a radio check. Break. I appreciate it, driver. You have a good day. Thank you.